This entire 3D isometric mobile app mockup is created in Figma using only the app screen. No plugins, no external tools. Let's get started. This is my mobile app screen, and we will use it to create a 3D isometric design. First, export these 3 cards as PNG files and import them into my Figma file. Now copy this frame and delete the top frame. Next, draw a rectangle. Apply a linear gradient and place it properly inside the frame. After that, export this frame as well and bring it back into the file. Now select the mobile screen image, right-click, choose Group Selection, and then right-click again and select Frame Selection. Then select the group inside the frame and set the constraints to scale. Next, rotate the frame by 10 degrees and again use Frame Selection. Inside this frame, select the inner frame and set its constraints to scale as well. Now, when resize the main frame, the inner frame will adjust automatically. Align everything properly and then set the inner frame rotation back to 0 degrees. After that, select the inner group and give it a 30-pixel corner radius. To create the mobile mockup frame, select the screen inside the group and copy-paste it. Hide the top screen, fill the bottom one with a color, then double-click and show the top screen again. Using the pen tool, adjust the bottom screen shape like this. If needed, also adjust the corner radius. Then apply a linear gradient so it looks like a real mobile frame. Using the same process, create the 3D isometric view for the remaining 3 cards. Add drop shadows to the cards to enhance the 3D effect. I have already prepared one card earlier, so place it like this. You can also add shadow to the mobile frame for a better depth effect. By creating mock-ups and 3D isometric designs this way, you can save a lot of time and make your designs look more attractive. You can use this technique for app presentations, website presentations, mobile app screenshots, card designs, and much more. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.